Hi everyone, it's Damien aka Cicada4am on Twitch, and in today's video we're not going to talk about any crunker or parkour videos. Instead, I'm working with Citro Tech, a student-run organization that dedicates itself to engage underrepresented minorities in tech. Welcome to the first episode of Unboxing Science. We do unboxing and we talk science. Imagine this scenario. After having a bad day, you decide to lock yourself up in a dark room. You're enjoying your favorite music on YouTube. It's 8 p.m., but your crazy neighbor decided it's a good time to mow his lawn. The train's passing by, the kid is crying, and your parents are yelling. Oh no, not again. So much extra noise. You slammed your desk and yeeted your only pair of earbuds that came from the dollar store. Oh no, you just lost your earbuds. You're too broke like me to afford Beats or Sennheiser, but you know you need the noise cancellation feature where you rage like a streamer the next time people are getting annoying. The god of the earbuds heard your voice, and here's the school canteen of ANC. So, when we first open it up, we see a box with the flip-flop thingy and the plastic case, the user guide and replacement tips, and the actual earbuds itself. And you can see here, the only thing I hate about it is the thin glowing controller right here. I mean, it's kind of cringy that way. Maybe I'm used to the other true wireless products, but I just really don't like this controller. There's the plus, there's the minus, and there is the pairing, turn it on, off button. And the buds actually have the magnetic thingy clips, so you can clip them together and you won't lose them in the future. And I don't know what's this for, but I'm pretty sure it has something to do with the wires itself. Now I say the noise canceling, it's actually limited, just like any other feed-forward earbuds, just like any other feed-forward ANC earbuds. The noise cancellation, it's very limited, and it actually amplified the wind noise from time to time. Yeah, I mean, when my friends are driving, I cannot hear the engine noise and the tire noise because yeah, it does a really good job on canceling those things, but not the wind noise. And it has a USB A to micro USB cable, and this is where you charge it. It does, however, support rapid charge, which is 10 minutes for 2 hours of battery life. And then yeah, the battery performed bad. The battery is really small. You have to deal with it. For $80, this is actually a pretty solid choice, but I wouldn't say it's the best. And yeah. ANC does not stand for some random biology cancer related term, but rather the very active noise cancelling that you might be enjoying right now. ANC is all about giving users an extra zone of quietness by generating anti-noise that are sound waves that mirrors and cancels ambient noise. The idea of active noise cancelling actually is not new, and dates all the way back to the 1930s, where German inventor Paul Leeg registered a theoretical patent for cancelling noise by using interference and creating zones of quiet in 1934. Since then, more developments have been made all the way to the military use in the 1990s and the first customer ANC essay by Bose in 2000. There are three types of ANC: feed-forward ANC, feedback ANC, as well as hybrid ANC. Presented a feed-forward demo. The first type of ANC and the only type we're going into details is feed-forward ANC. As shown here, there is a noise-detecting microphone on the very outside of the earpiece, an ANC module between the microphone and the actual earpiece itself. The concept is that the detecting microphones takes the ambient noise as input and sends it over to the ANC module. The ANC module calculates the mirror noise and combines it with the audio output, providing the user with the audio they asked for with some anti-noise sprinkled on top. This type of ANC has two advantages, which are fast responding speeds and high performance in reducing high frequency noises. However, it falls short in every other aspect, such as lack of self-correction, potentials of amplifying the noise, a narrow range of cancelable noises, as well as being extremely sensitive to wind noises. The second type of ANC is feedback ANC. It has its noise-detecting microphone between the speaker and the user, giving advantages such as self-correction and a broader range of noise cancellation. And lastly, we have the hybrid ANC. It has two noise-detecting microphones on both the outside of the speaker as well as between the speaker and the user. The setup causes the headphone to enjoy benefits of both feed-forward and feedback ANC. However, this is also twice expensive and much trickier to engineers. The science behind ANC, according to Scientific American, sound is a pressure wave, which consists of a compression phase and a refraction phase. A noise cancellation speaker emits a sound wave with the same amplitude but with inverted phase, also known as antiphase, to the original sound. Sound waves are sinusoidal models. So, sound waves are sinusoidal models. They are just like the sine and cosine graphs you see in high school pre-calc. The mic detects the amplitude of the sound waves, also known as the phase, and transfers the signal to the ANC module, which then sends out another wave with the same amplitude but inverted, also known as the antiphase. The phase and antiphase cancel each other out. The air particles collide with each other and result in a generally smooth wave, in which the sound is said to be cancelled. This entire process is called interference or phase cancellation. Moving on to the final words. All in all, Skull Candy Method ANC is a pretty solid choice in terms of cheap noise cancelling earbuds that won't break your wallet. The hooks definitely work well and the buds haven't fallen out of my ears yet. The sound quality is mediocre and I wouldn't say there's tons of bass like all the other Skull Candy products. The mids are fine, but the highs are definitely limited. The only letdown I would say is the Dangley controller and its very poor performing 6-hour battery life. God dang, it's 2020 and we still only get 6 hours, but considering its price of only $80 on Amazon and $25 if you're lucky to find one in Ross, it is a very good choice. And this is the first episode of Unboxing Science. Be sure to like, subscribe, and join the notification squad. I'm Damien, and I'll see you next time.